Hey to Say Destiny community, Carl Spreedy's here. I've got Alex next to me. Wave to the folks.
Hi everyone.
How you going? We're in Hanoi, Vietnam. We've both been doing a retreat this week. Well, I've been videographing, and you've been assisting with helping the people in the retreat get their story out of them. And that's what you help people with. And this place is quite a story in itself, isn't it?
Absolutely, Kyle. The excitement here, the vibe in Hanoi, you cannot predict anything. You have to just dive in, immerse yourself in it, and see what happens. There's no certainty, just dive on in.
Yep, and you trust in the process of being in a new place and being in that creative flow. We came to a local cafe here, Cafe Giange, and we were told this is the founding cafe that does egg coffees, because I was told from a friend in Perth that I've got to try an egg coffee.
But you should try the egg coffee.
Egg coffee, that's what
in Hanoi.
Okay, egg
Yeah.
coffee. Also, Hanoi is known for having good egg.
Yeah, it's very famous in Hanoi, and
Wow.
you should try it.
Okay.
You should try it.
All right, you heard it here, folks. Our travel guide, Hoi, is trying to help your boy who's going to be in Hanoi get an egg coffee. I think I'm going to try for a rap career now. Maybe I should just stick with the cameras. But yeah, so I'm going to be over there. I'm going to try an egg coffee, and it's amazing. You know, it's not necessarily the most pretty, luxurious, but it's down a little dark alley. You got to go down the alley for the experience, and I think that's what we found here. There's just creative energy everywhere, and it's just a stunning place. You know, you can be easily deterred and fear and worry and go, oh my gosh, it's a bit dangerous, where do I go? But if you dive in and trust, you can actually go with the flow of the city. It's an amazing flow, isn't it?
Absolutely. Going into a place or an experience without worrying about a guarantee, not worrying about the outcome, just being open to what might unfold, the people you might meet, the amazing coffee you might drink, and all of the other excitement about a city like Hanoi. It's just fantastic being here.
And what are some of the creative elements that you've loved, kind of just, because we could have got a cab here, it would have taken 10 minutes, and we're like, no, let's walk. You've done a ton of walking here. What's some of the things that you've enjoyed most about the city?
Yeah, I always love to walk in the city, Kyle, because it allows me to actually have all of my senses turned on. I can hear things, I can see things, I can see the traditional things in the city as well as the modern things. You can get, a whole sense of what the community is like, and I've just loved that creativity. Everyone's here to live their, to do maybe what their family has done for a long time. So we see people on bikes with platters of fruit. We see flower stalls. We see people chopping up all different types of food in preparation for cooking in the restaurants later that day.
The footpaths are almost like the canvas, and then the paint is each street is named after a toy or what you buy in that street. And so the footpaths are these social gatherings that have all this creativity going on. There's stores that are just dedicated to buttons. It's just, it's mind-blowing.
It's been fantastic.
Yeah, we've enjoyed it, and we've had our new neuro links, our new dots, our new pathways, opened up, and once we, go back to our normal routine, we're going to try and implement all of that creative energy, that flow, what we've opened up to, and we'll probably keep each other accountable. What do you reckon about that?
Looking forward to it, absolutely.
Awesome, thank you, Alex.
Thanks, guys.
See you guys, and remember, as always, to decide your destiny. Cheers. Wow, that egg coffee was incredible. Thank you for the suggestion, Hoi. Really appreciate it. Awesome egg coffee. So many different options. There's eggs with Oreo, egg coffee with Oreo, egg coffee with rum, egg coffee with everything. There's egg matcha. So I've never seen anything like this, which is the awesome thing. The reason why you travel to places is so you can go visit places that are unique. So I'd highly suggest everyone to come to Jian Cafe, the first egg coffee cafe, and yeah, check it out. And I'm going to go now, hit the streets of Hanoi, check everywhere else out, and yeah, I'm pumped, G'd up for my egg coffee. So thank you for the suggestion again, Hoi, and here we go.